everyone, the Posh House is back with their Belle and Brides Edit. They have 10 brands all happening at Bohemian Gallery. It's a 2-day show. आज से start हो जाता है. Collection की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो they have a beautiful collection of Indo-Westerns and ethnic outfits, semi-stitched suit pieces. They have jewelry as well, beautiful gold and silver jewelry, and yes, a lot of Indo-Westerns. And आपको Western में भी मिल जाएगा like the shirts and dresses. So come down here, check it out. Collection मैंने आपको दिखा दी. All you have to do is swipe left. This is Eda by NJ. Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
So, keeping in mind the festive season and wedding season, so we have got anarkalis, beautiful anarkalis. Indo-Westerns, we have beautiful sharara, garara, lehengas, pretty. Like this.
Nice.
Then we have Indo-Westerns for side functions. Beautiful colors for the Eid.
Okay. Nice.
This is something which I am wearing in June. This is something different, totally different.
Pretty.
This.
Something in red. Unstitched suit pieces from Dhage. Look at this. This is in pure silk. Okay. And we have these 3-piece sets. Russian silk.
This is linen tissue.
Linen tissue. Beautiful. Pura kardana work.
Silk.
This is silk again. Very pretty. And you can get color options as well. Then we have few pieces in
Ready to wear.
stitched. Yeah, ready to wear. It's a nice yellow. Then we have blue. Okay. 2-piece sets. That's pretty.
Hello, I'm Mahima Gohil.
And I'm Vishwa Pandya.
Our brand name is Verb. So we have some really beautiful collection of traditional pieces like skirt tops,
Pretty.
some vintage pieces.
Okay.
So we have this kind of so like basically these are made from vintage fabric.
Okay, so all from vintage fabric.
Yeah, also anarkalis.
Then we have anarkalis. Perfect.
And we have some semi-festive pieces. Kaftan sets. Kaftan sets.
Okay.
Some basic dresses.
Right. Pretty.
Kurti sets.
Pretty sets. And then these are all
Casual pieces.
casual pieces. So your casual starts from
1500.
1500 only.
So this is small shirt. Hi. So this is Mahav's lifestyle. We have got shirts like this. These are reversible. Can be worn in 2 ways. We have got some dresses. All dresses have pockets. Then we are having cord sets. These are all cord sets. We do have color options in these. Then coming to some festive wear. These are all Chanderi cotton.
And these come with pants.
All comes with pants, and if you want, we are having dupatta also that can be dyed as per your preference.
Okay.
Something for the easy breezy. And there is this which is our hot selling product.
Very pretty.
These are the sharara bags.
Hi, I'm from Tanir and we have unstitched suits and we have them in Kota Doria. All handwork suits with Marori, Zardozi.
Beautiful.
We have organza tissue suits. Then we have Bani Leheria suits.
Nice. Pretty.
We have casual suits for every day with Chanderi, dupatta and kurta. Then we have heavy suits, patolas with Marori work. We have suits on Gaji with Marori. Suits with the Dabka work.
Okay. Chalo. Hi, I am Adnan from Trombo. So So we have a few menswear as well as women's wear collections. Something like these drapes, we have a lot of collection in these. Most of them being unisex. And एक जो concept है which I saw lately, a lot of people complaining like you have a lot of winter wear stuff, but that is not true. So we have like men's like full length jackets with drapes, and similarly we have a lot of kurtas here for men's. These are silk based. And we have shirt styles. Then coming to women's wear, we have gowns and stuff like that. These are in Georgette. And then we have Pakistani suit pieces styles, modern silhouettes. These are some of them have kaftan sleeves. Then we have a lot of casual collection, like a casual formal shirt drapes. Then like a traditional full length kurta.
Pure silver jewelry. This is Shreem Jewels with their beautiful collection. These are the brooches.
These are brooches and sari pins. Yeah, unisex brooches.
Rings. These are some statement pieces.
These are the necklaces. So these are gold plated with real Jadtar and Jadao techniques.
And you customize?
Yeah, we customize. So this is all manufactured and designed by us.
Hello everyone, we are Mare Design and we do custom clothing. This is one of our Indo-Western sets. We also have some embroidered lehenga cholis. Some beautiful velvet embroidered gowns.
Right. And these are all can be customized in any color.
And the best thing is about pre-draped saris, no hustle. We've got some beautiful anarkalis, some Western, Indo-Western frill dresses.
Right.
We also have customized kaftans and poncho sets. And the good thing is that we are a brand that produces until 7XL.
7XL.
So you can also customize with us.
Plus sizes.
This is a plus size lehenga set. And we have some fabrics to choose from.
Hi, we are from the Posh House. We have some amazing tops like this. We also have some festive wear.
Very
These are in Gaji silk.
nice.
Also something what I'm wearing. It's the color of this.
Second color option.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then in Bandhani.
Oh, beautiful.
Then some of these. This is
Cord
the cord
sets.
set in plain.
Pretty. What's the price range for cord set? So this is all natural, healthy, homemade cookies, almond millets, and we have different flavors here. So look at that. This is with ginger. This is cashew cardamom. This is with chocolate hazelnut.
And one chocolate chip.
And one chocolate chip as well. And these are all neck pieces.